Think of it as a mini high-powered electric oven, which cooks quicker and more economically and cleaner than your normal oven, with very little added fat. It has a unique fat removal technology and a tornado of hot air to cook your food to crisp perfection. Let me show you a few of the recipes from the book. Today I'm going to make festive salmon, which I love to use for Boxing Day. It's so quick and easy in the air fryer. I'm now going to prepare the salmon. So in an ordinary breakfast mug, you need some maple syrup, soy sauce, and the juice of a satsuma. So now I'm going to pour the ingredients that we've just mixed over the fish and leave it to marinade for about 15 minutes. Temperature 190, and I'm going to set the timer for 18 minutes. And the air fryer needs about 3 minutes to preheat. So now the air fryer has reached temperature, I'm going to remove the drawer, just spray the base plate with a little oil and carefully lift the salmon into the air fryer. And now I'm going to put it into the air fryer. It'll take about 14 minutes. The ping is gone, so there's my salmon. So now I'm going to decorate the salmon for the table. Just simply put some slices of satsuma, and I like basil, so a little bit of basil. Now I'm going to make berry muffins. Actually, it's the last recipe in the book. In the jug, I have an egg and the vanilla essence. To that, I'm adding the milk and the oil. A quick mix, and it's ready to be put in with the dry ingredients. In the mixing bowl, I have the flour and brown sugar, and today I'm going to add some raspberries. So now I'm adding the liquid ingredients to the dry with the raspberries and give it a good old mix. You might notice I'm using melamine muffin cases, brilliant in the air fryer, but if you haven't got them, double up simple paper cases. You need to fill the muffin cases quite full, and you can see from what I'm doing that you have got a nice batter, a soft consistency. The last thing to do is to top each of my muffins with just a few dark chocolate chips. So now they're going into the air fryer at 170 for 10 to 12 minutes. So the ping is gone. Oh wow, they are my muffins. I like to serve the muffins with just a tiny bit of sifted icing sugar. I hope you enjoyed seeing just a few dishes from my new book, The Everyday Air Fryer.